Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. How to dress in an office, not to look banal. Since women got the right to leave the house not only for shopping, but also for work, they faced the eternal women's question, what to wear. As a guide to creating their own women's business style, we chose men who are already used to moving up the career ladder and getting money for their labors. From the men's wardrobe, trousers and jackets migrated to us, as a symbol of emancipation in matters of women's employment, and fashion houses eventually developed the theme of business ladies, giving women the opportunity not to limit themselves in choosing business clothes. The undeniable classic of the business wardrobe is the old Cockmer axiom, the white top, the black bottom. With this outfit, from the white blouse and a strict black skirt below the knees, the struggle of women began for the right to go to work on a par with men. Now, after a century, this image has not lost its relevance and relevance. Another seasoned classic version of the outfit is a women's business suit with a skirt. Obligatory when choosing such a suit will be neutral colors and clear strict silhouette lines for creating the image of an iron lady who alone stands at the helm of the company. A great choice for going to the office will be a black dress with a white collar. The trend, which sends us too clearly to graduates of noble ladies' schools, will look great in the office environment and hint at your refined upbringing and mannerisms. Agree, excellent recommendations for business meetings and negotiations. Coco Chanel worked in the name of women's freedom, releasing their haute corset and dresses with crinoline. From her light hand, business suits, which are now called simply suits in the style of Chanel, have become fashionable. It's all about the combination of femininity, respectability and comfort that the designer has brought to the world of women's office style. A distinctive feature of the costume, and the reason for which he entered the history of fashion, was a short tweed jacket with no collar. This model often lacked buckles, so women of fashion, according to the behests of Coco Chanel herself, often stabbed him with the help of brooches. Such a jacket can be worn as bequeathed by Chanel, with a lower skirt or boldly mixed with trousers. Yuppie, as a whole subculture of young urban professionals, of course, stood out not only as a worldview, but also as a style of her own in clothes. Success in the career and material wealth imposed on the representatives of this current their imprint, poured into business trouser suits of famous brands, Oxford boots or losers, which will certainly look laconic in the offices of large companies. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.